Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam, elegant Christmas decor. So what you're going to need this silver Christmas pack with rhinestone embellishments. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some silver glitter, and I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a glass hurricane. You're going to need one pack of these round Tealight holders. If you can't find the round Tealight holders, you can use any shape they have in stock. You'll need one of these glass candle holder plates. And I have some little silver picks from Dollar Tree as well. I have some Mod Podge and a small paintbrush from Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue to assemble this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant Christmas hurricane turn out absolutely beautifully? And you can make any number of these. Super easy to do. You can make 2 or 3 and run them right down the center of a table for the holidays. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.